Alright, this is the Ace 50mm laminated padlock. This is their maximum security padlocks, what they say. Feel a couple of spools in there maybe. Nothing super secure. Here on the back it says, you know, it's got the cut resistance, 5 pins, pick resistance, and then the pry resistance. So this is kind of like the highest security that I could find at my local Ace. They do make the maximum security locks and high security locks in brass, but the largest brass padlock they had at my Ace was a 38mm. Again, this is the 50 laminated. This is a Green Belt lock on LPU, Lock Pickers United. In my humble opinion, it's not. It shouldn't be in the same class with the 7240. This is, in my, this is such a more well-made lock, tighter tolerances and whatnot, as opposed to the Ace. So, anyways, there you go.